2006 Ford E250. Today we're working on a Ford van blower motor. So there it is, missing. Obviously I already took it out. I tested power here. I had power and ground here, so I knew the blower motor was bad. And then I even went as far as I hooked up positive and negative wires to two prods I got here, and I actually hit the blower motor, and it still didn't move. Anyway, 3/8 millimeters took it out. This is it. Obviously unplug it. It sits in there this way. Unplug it. Take the 3/8 out. 1, 2, 3. Take them out, and then you're gonna actually have to take out 2 8 millimeters that hold in the accumulator. See, there's one here, one in this top hole right there, and then there's one down below, down there. You're gonna take them both out so you can manipulate this a little way, pull this way, and actually turn the blower motor so the flat spot right there is on that side. Manipulate that to the left and pull it out, and then you have a new blower motor. You're going to have to take the little clip off the top of the blower to get the fan off, unless yours comes with a fan. Mine does not. Do that and you'll be good to go, and then do everything in reverse. You also got 413s to take out the battery tray. There's going to be 413s, battery tray, battery tray, battery tray. There I had two. They're stripped out. I had to use a little nice little fancy tool here for taking out strip bolts. This is made by Irwin. They're good. So, and then you got the 8 millimeter to take the battery out also, and the two battery cables. This one's a 10 to loosen this, the camber, and then it'll open. And this one just happens to be a 13. Take this off, wiggle it out, and then you're good to go. And we're going to do everything in reverse to put it back together. So I got the new one. It comes with this fancy cord. It's the same thing. It's just extended, and it actually came with a new clip. You don't know how to put that on, you're on your own, but it's pretty easy. It's just like a little slot right here. See the flat spot? Your fan will slide down on it, slide it all the way down, and that side is clip on, and it locks in place. And then again, I got to go in this way, flat spot that way, and I'm going to have to yank here. I'm going to try to set the camera up. We'll see if it works. I need an assistant over here. Pull this battery cable out of the way ahead of time. Stick this wire somewhere out of the way. You can see this. Get this hose jamming up under there. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to twist it in here like this. I'm going to pull this out just enough to get it in place. I'm going to stick it in place, make sure no wires or hoses are pinched. And this hose comes this way. It's supposed to connect there, but I guess it doesn't in this one. But this screw actually lines up like... Sorry, give me a second. I'll figure this out. Okay, so it lines up. No, that's not lining up. Hold on. There it goes. That's your lineup point. See this right here? The camera kind of stinks, but you see that right there? There's a hole for a screw. So we're going to line that up. And then these 8s go back in. Put the 3/8 back in. You know, fast as lightning. From there, you're going to literally put them 3/8 back in, put the 2 back in the accumulator, put the battery tray back in, put them 4 back in. Don't forget to plug in the fan. And then you're going to also put, like I said, the 413s for the battery tray, the 2 battery cables, the 8 that holds the hold down for the battery, and fire it up, and you'll have AC heat and all working again. Thank you.